Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video I'll show you how to make your Android phone is just using the 4G connection only. I know that 4G is now being obsolete because maybe some of you or some of them using 5G right now, but more of people actually in Southeast Asia, I mean, I think maybe still using this 4G. So how to make your phone is just using 4G connection. You just go to your toggle upper and then press and hold on the mobile data, and then here you can see there are two options of SIM card, and then click the active SIM card, and then you can find this preferred network type, and then you can see this is the option. You can see there are options of prefer LTE and then prefer 3G or 2G only. So you have to choose LTE, which is LTE equal to 4G connection. Okay, that's it. This tutorial I hope is helpful for you. If it is, please subscribe our channel, and then if you have any question, please put on a comment below. Thank you.